In the manufacturing industry, dust and other airborne particles are a common byproduct of the production process. These particles can be harmful to workers' health and can also damage equipment and machinery. To address this issue, many manufacturing companies use dust collectors as a service to remove these particles from the air. A dust collector is a system that uses a series of filters to capture and remove dust and other particles from the air. The system works by drawing in air from the manufacturing environment and passing it through a series of filters that trap the particles. The filtered air is then released back into the environment, while the collected dust and particles are stored in a collection bin for disposal. Dust collectors are essential in many manufacturing industries, including woodworking, metalworking, and food processing. They help to maintain a safe and healthy work environment for employees, reduce the risk of equipment damage, and improve the overall quality of the products being produced. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the design and production of custom dust collection systems. With over 30 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and knowledge to create a dust collection system that meets the specific needs of each client. The company offers a range of services, including system design, installation, and maintenance. They work closely with clients to understand their unique requirements and develop a customized solution that maximizes efficiency and effectiveness. Berkness Company's dust collection systems are designed to be energy efficient and cost-effective, helping clients to save money on energy costs and reduce their environmental impact. The company also offers ongoing maintenance and support to ensure that the systems continue to operate at peak performance. If you are interested in learning more about dust collection systems and how they can benefit your manufacturing operation, visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. The company's team of experts is available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with a customized solution that meets your specific needs. FAQs. 1. What is a dust collector and how does it work in manufacturing? A dust collector is a device used in manufacturing to remove dust and other airborne particles from the air. It works by using a fan to draw in contaminated air, which is then filtered through a series of filters to remove the dust particles. The clean air is then released back into the manufacturing environment. 2. What are the benefits of using a dust collector in manufacturing? Using a dust collector in manufacturing has several benefits, including improved air quality, reduced risk of respiratory problems for workers, increased equipment lifespan, and improved product quality. It also helps to maintain a clean and safe working environment, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. 3. What factors should be considered when selecting a dust collector for manufacturing? When selecting a dust collector for manufacturing, several factors should be considered, including the type and amount of dust being produced, the size of the manufacturing space, the number of workers in the area, and the specific requirements of the manufacturing process. Other factors to consider include the cost of the dust collector, its maintenance requirements, and its energy efficiency. it is important to choose a dust collector that is appropriate for the specific needs of the manufacturing process to ensure optimal performance and safety. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.